I love pizza. My first job was at a pizzeria. I went to Italy to eat pizza. I ate one of my favorite places in San Francisco 7 times in 3.5 days. I put a wood fire pizza oven in my backyard. You get the point. In this video, I'm going to show you what it's like to cook 50 pizzas for 90 people from scratch and how food brings connection. Onions, filet mignon, stretch the dough, port wine reduction sauce, shiitake mushrooms, the filet on top, grilled onions, fresh mozzarella balls, temp over 950, and going in the oven. Look at that thing cook. That thing is sizzling. Voila, we're ready to go. Is your mouth watering yet? Mine is. Look at that thing. Let's go. This is what 50 handmade doughs looks like. This pizza cooks so fast. 60 seconds on the clock. Go.
I'm still in love with you. 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 I'm still in love with you.
Amazing. You tried.
Wonderful. I had a sausage one. It was delicious. Yay! Sweet Joy is pizza in Ryan's Pizza.
There you go.
The energy at this party.
It was fantastic. It was amazing.
That's awesome.
The raspberry.
Oh, pizza, it's amazing.
Let's try this out.
Okay, go.
Oh yeah.
I just love everyone being together, enjoying food and connecting and having a relationship. We are made for relationship, and food is such an amazing way to spend time getting to know people. I've especially found cooking pizza is such a joyful way to build community and connection. Hope this video inspires you to do the same in your own unique way.
Best pizza ever!
It should be illegal what you're doing out there, man.
Pizza!